Good morning. Now we will learn experiments on photosynthesis. A number of experiments can be performed for proving the various conditions and requirements necessary for photosynthesis. For all experiments related to photosynthesis, first step will be same. That is destarching. Destarching means removal of starch. For this, the plant used for experiment on photosynthesis should be placed in the dark for 24 to 48 hours. This is done to destarch it, means to remove starch from the leaves. Now, why it is to be done? To perform experiments accurately, it is necessary to remove the pre-existing starch from the leaves. Otherwise, we cannot be able to get accurate results. Now the next step is to test a leaf for starch, that is iodine test. For this, a solution is used, that is iodine solution. Now the composition of iodine solution is 0.3 gram of iodine, 1.5 gram of potassium iodide in 100 milliliter of water. Starting with procedure for iodine test. Take a leaf from the potted plant. Now boil this leaf in boiling water for a minute. This is done to kill the cells of the leaf. After this, remove the leaf from the boiling water and then again boil it in methylated spirit over a water bath. Now, same leaf is to be boiled in methylated spirit over a water bath till it become pale white due to removal of chlorophyll. It is boiled in methylated spirit to remove chlorophyll. Now, remove the methylated spirit, dip the leaf in hot water. This is to soften it. Now, spread the leaf in a dish and pour iodine solution over it. The presence of starch will be indicated by blue-black color. A leaf without starch will show brown color. Destarching and iodine test is to be performed before every experiment on photosynthesis. Now experiment number 1, to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. For this, take a plant with variegated leaves having some green and some non-green areas such as Coilus, Geranium, Croton. Now destarch the leaves by keeping the plant in dark room for few days. Then place the plant in the sun. After few hours, pluck one leaf of the plant. Then make its outline on the paper and mark the green and non-green areas on the outline. Then test the leaf for starch, that is iodine test. Boil the leaf in water to kill cells. Then boil it in methylated spirit to remove chlorophyll. The leaf will become hard and brittle. To make it soft, dip it in hot water. Then place it on petri dish. Put 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution over it. The green parts of the leaf will turn blue-black and rest of the part brown. This shows that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Experiment number 2, to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. For this, take a plant and place it in the dark for 24 to 72 hours. This is done to de-starch the leaves of the plant. After 72 hours, cover one of its leaves half with black paper. After covering the leaf half with black paper, place this plant in the sun. After a few hours, test the leaf which is covered by black paper for the presence of starch. For this, first boil the leaf in water to kill cells. Then boil it in methylated spirit on water bath to remove chlorophyll. Leaf will become hard and brittle. Dip the leaf in warm water to soften it, then place it on petri dish. Now pour 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution over it. We will observe the parts of the leaf which are not covered will turn blue-black, showing the presence of starch, and covered parts of the leaf will turn brown, indicating absence of starch. This proves that sunlight is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. Now, experiment number 3 to show that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. For this, again, take a plant with long and narrow leaves. Narrow leaves so that they can easily insert it inside the mouth of the bottle. Now, place the plant in dark for 24 to 72 hours to de-starch it. After 72 hours, take out the plant, take a bottle and pour potassium hydroxide solution to the bottle. This solution is to absorb carbon dioxide. Now, take a half split cork also. Insert one of the leaf of the de-starched plant inside the bottle with the help of cork. The leaf should be half inside the bottle, half outside. Now, apply grease over the mouth of the bottle. This is done to prevent the entry of air inside the bottle. Now place the plant in sunlight for few hours. Then pluck the leaf, take it out from the bottle and test it for the presence of starch with iodine solution, repeating the same steps. We will observe the part of the leaf which was inserted inside the bottle remain brown, and the part of the leaf outside the bottle will turn blue-black. This shows that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Experiment number 4 to show that oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. For this, take a beaker, fill it with pond water and place water plant like hydrilla inside it. Now, add a pinch of sodium bicarbonate to water. This is to produce carbon dioxide. Now cover the plant with funnel and invert a test tube full of water over the stem of the funnel. Ensure that the level of water in the beaker is above the level of stem of the inverted funnel. Now place the apparatus in the sun for a few hours. We will observe bubbles of gas will collect in the test tube. To test the gas, Bring a glowing splinter near the test tube. It will burst into flame, which shows the presence of oxygen. This proves that oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. Now we have covered all the experiments. Revise them thoroughly. Thank you.